It ensures that the work plan adheres strictly to local building codes.
Which are tough here. Right?
Incredibly strict, especially in high wind zones like Florida. They're all about safety and resilience. And then throughout the project, you'll have official inspections carried out by municipal authorities.
Right, not just at the end.
No, absolutely not. These aren't just one-time checks. They happen at various critical stages, maybe after the old roof is torn off to check the decking, during the installation of underlayment, and then the final application. They verify each stage meets those code requirements. So the true insight here is that these steps, while they might seem a bit burdensome, are actually your strongest assurance. They ensure the work is performed correctly, safely, and to a standard that will protect your home and, importantly, your future insurability. A reputable contractor, well, they'll expertly guide you through every single one of these steps. They handle it.
That clarifies a lot, actually. So, okay, you know your options repair or replace, and you understand these important process steps now, the permits and inspections. But none of that matters if you don't choose the right people for the job. How can you truly know you're choosing a reliable, trustworthy expert? This feels paramount.
Absolutely. Selecting the right contractor. That's where the trust is really built. And beyond just ticking boxes on a checklist, the real insight into credentials lies in understanding why each one matters specifically to you. First, always ensure they are fully licensed and insured. This isn't just a formality. It means they operate legally, they meet professional standards, and crucially, it means both you and their team are protected financially if there's an accident or unforeseen damages during the job.
Right, that insurance part is key.
Hugely important. Next, look for state certification. For instance, being a Florida state-certified roofing contractor, like Rooster Roofing uses their license number, LIC. No, CCC 1335999. Right on their materials.
Oh, that's specific.
Yeah, and that's a concrete example of what to look for. That level of detail confirms they've met really rigorous state-mandated expertise and operational standards. These standards are specifically designed to tackle the unique climate challenges of Florida. It's not just about general competence. It's proof of proven local relevance.
That certification number really does make it tangible, doesn't it? It's not just a vague claim, it's a verifiable standard. It shows they've actually put in the work to meet specific regulatory demands.
Precisely. And then you've got specialized certifications, things like being a mule-hide warranty-eligible contractor or, similar distinctions from other leading material manufacturers.
What does that mean for the homeowner?
It signifies that the contractor is officially qualified by the manufacturer to install their particular high-performance materials, maybe advanced flat roofing membranes or specialized impact-resistant shingles, according to the manufacturer's exact specifications.
Ah, so it has to be done their way.
Exactly. And the significant takeaway here is that you're not just getting the contractor's guarantee on the labor, you're also getting associated high-performance material warranties directly from the manufacturer. These often offer extended coverage and, frankly, greater peace of mind regarding the longevity and performance of the actual product sitting on your roof.
Okay, that makes sense. So you've got the state license, the insurance, maybe these manufacturer certs. But beyond the official papers, what about, what other people are saying? I always look at reviews, but how do we sort of read between the lines there?
Yeah, 5-star local reviews are definitely an excellent indicator. But it's not just the quantity, the number of stars. Look for the consistent themes in the comments.
What kind of themes?
Do reviews frequently mention professionalism? Clear communication? Did they stay on budget? What about the cleanup after the job? These details are forms of social proof that suggest a contractor consistently adheres to quality workmanship and follows industry best practices.
Right.
It's really about seeing evidence of a proven track record of customer satisfaction. That often indicates deeper organizational values. Those reviews offer a real window into the actual experience you can likely expect.
Okay, that's helpful. Now, the whole roofing process itself, from start to finish, can feel pretty intimidating. It's full of jargon, unknowns. Let's try to demystify it a bit more. From the moment you first think you might need help, all the way through to, say, an unexpected emergency, what should homeowners truly expect from a reputable contractor? What does that good experience look like?
Yeah, what's truly helpful for homeowners is understanding that it should be a predictable, supportive process. It ought to always start with free, no-obligation estimates for any service. That removes the initial financial barrier to just getting informed.
Good point.
And a good estimate, well, isn't just a price tag. It should detail the scope of work, the specific materials being proposed, and realistic timelines, so you know exactly what you're potentially paying for.
Transparency.
Exactly. Good customer service then extends to incredibly responsive communication. For instance, you mentioned Rooster Roofing earlier. Some leading contractors actually commit to responding to, quote, requests within 2 hours during business hours.
Wow, 2 hours. That's fast.
It is. And that kind of efficiency, well, it sets a clear expectation and shows a high level of respect for the client's time. It certainly suggests a commitment to customer service, which, let's be honest, can sometimes be rare in the trades.
Very true.
It speaks to their reliability. Beyond that initial contact, a reputable contractor provides comprehensive warranties. These should cover both materials and the labor involved. Think of this as your long-term insurance policy on the work, ensuring confidence.
Okay, warranties are crucial. What about emergencies? Storms happen.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Florida homeowners know storms can hit hard and unexpectedly. So services like emergency roof tarping are critical for dealing with unexpected roof damage.
Just to stop the immediate leak. Right?
Essentially, yes. This service isn't just a Band-Aid, though. It's a crucial immediate action that prevents further water intrusion and property damage until permanent proper repairs can be scheduled and made. And importantly, look for contractors who also provide assistance with insurance claims to ease the process.
That's huge.
It's invaluable, honestly, especially during stressful post-storm situations, helping you navigate complex paperwork, communicate with adjusters, and maximize your coverage. That's a huge weight off your shoulders.
Yeah, definitely. So it really all adds up, doesn't it? From that quick response to the detailed estimate, the proper permits, the warranties, the emergency help, even the insurance assistance. It points towards efficient service with minimal disruption and ultimately, precision and real peace of mind for the homeowner. It transforms what could be a really overwhelming experience into something streamlined, well-supported, and hopefully much less stressful. So wrapping things up, what does this all mean for you, the homeowner listening today? We've explored the critical, often underestimated role your roof plays, especially in challenging climates like ours here in Florida. We've hopefully equipped you with better knowledge about catching those early, sometimes hidden warning signs, understanding your viable options repair versus replacement, and perhaps most importantly, how to identify a truly reliable, credentialed professional. We even touched upon demystifying that sometimes confusing process of permits and inspections.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, just remember, your roof isn't merely a part of your house. It's your home's most vital frontline defender, period. Knowing what to look for in terms of damage, understanding your repair and replacement options, and grasping what truly defines an expert contractor really empowers you. It shifts you from being just a passive homeowner hoping for the best to an informed decision maker.
Giving you the power to genuinely protect your investment.
Exactly. Giving you that power. So maybe think about this. This week, what small, previously overlooked detail about your own roof will you pay closer, more critical attention to now that you know a little more about what to look for?